The tools of a true master mason, a man who has proven his skill, are any or all that he chooses his task to correctly fulfill. Foremost of these is the trowel, which practical builders all class as the tool for spreading of mortar, uniting the house in one mass. But we as freemasons would use it for purpose more noble and grand, as craftsmen have faithfully taught us, as masonry's rituals command. To spread the cement of affection, devotion and brotherly love, to bring peace, goodwill and contentment on earth as in heaven above. Yea, this is the cement that unites us in one sacred union of friends, brothers mongst whom no contention, nor discord, nor difference portends, except that most noble contention by masons accepted and free, or rather that fine emulation of who can best work and agree.